3 more consonants, 1 more vowel.
D,
Yes.
M,
Okay.
B,
And a vowel.
A,
Well, what do we get out of all that? Okay. Now remember, it's living things. You can do this. Talk it out. Oh, she's already, look at this. I think she already knows the darn thing. 10 seconds, good luck.
pod of gray whales.
Yeah, I figured she would do. All she needed was the D. Are you curious about this? I know I am. Does a car interest you in any
Oh my
way?
gosh!
Yeah. Very nice. $73,800 cash and prizes. There you go. It's a nice way to go out.
The fun never stops at Wheel.
Subscribe here to watch more Spincredible videos.